Blender Wool Felt Mushroom Modeling Tutorial. First, hit Shift plus A to add a cube. Press 1 on the numpad for front view, then Alt plus C for perspective mode. Press the Tab key to enter edit mode. Utilize Ctrl plus 2 to perform a loop cut, then scale with the S key to adjust the shape accordingly. Select the bottom points, press E to extrude downward, scale with the S key, and then press E to extrude upward. Scale with S, Shift plus D to duplicate the face, press P to separate, then Tab to switch to object mode. Select this face of the model, press number 1 on the numpad to enter front view, then press Tab to enter edit mode. Press A to select all, then E and C to extrude down, scale with S, and E and C again to extrude down. In S-Scale, box select the top points, press G and C to move them up, press Tab to return to object mode, and add a subdivision surface modifier to both models with Ctrl and 3. Right-click for smooth shading. Next, add material to the model by clicking on the shading at the top. Press the C key to click on Render and enter Render Preview, then change EV to the Cycles Renderer. In the shading mode, uncheck the scene events and select an HDR. Click on the model, then click on New. Press Shift plus A to create a color gradient, then Shift plus D to duplicate it. Adjust color positions, change black in the lower gradient to blue, and press Shift plus A to create a mix color. Connect the top gradient to the factor. Connect the lower color gradient to the AB node and change it to white. Then connect the result to the base color. Shift plus A to create a new operation. Connect directly to the coefficient, switch addition to less than, then press Shift plus A to make a new Voronoi texture. Change the value of the distance connection threshold to less than 0.35. Set the Voronoi scale to 1.5. Click on the Voronoi texture. Press Ctrl plus T to generate mapping and texture coordinates. Connect the object's vector, then press Shift plus A to add a gradient texture. Connect the color to the coefficient, choose the gradient texture, press Ctrl plus T to make mapping and texture coordinates. Rotate the mapping 90 degrees on the Y-axis. Click the model, create a new base color, and set it to off-white. Apply a felt texture to the mushroom. Click the model, find chestnut on the right, click the plus sign, and select hair. Adjust the hair length to 0.03. In display settings, set hair steps to 5 and choose simple type for the subset. Set the display amount to 60, radius to 0.08, and roundness to 0.5. In amplitude settings, set randomness and size to 0.05 and change kink type to curly. Change the amplitude to 0.05 and the root diameter of the hair shape to 0.2. If you want to change the number of hairs, you can adjust it in the emission count. Hold down Shift, click to select this model, then click on the model with hair and use Ctrl plus L to copy the modifier. This way, the woolly mushroom is completed.